Hi to Mama.
Princeton.
Say hi to Mama.
It's Spike. Come on.
And play with your toy? You gonna play with your toy? Yeah, you gonna play with your toy.
Come with sister.
Your sister still eating their cottage cheese and their steak? Yeah. Heidi, you be nice to Princeton. Heidi be going home tomorrow. Heidi's on her way home, so you two better play good. Princeton, he likes that cottage cheese. Yeah. Yeah, he likes that.
He got the toy.
He got the toy again. You playing with your toy? You gonna let your little sister play with it? Giggles, go there and play with Princeton. Go there and play with the toy. Heidi.
Heidi girl.
Princeton, what you doing? Turn around. Say hi. Look at the camera for Mama. Princeton. He's too busy playing with that toy. Now he's back underneath the table. I can't see him.
Come here.
Come on.
Princeton.
Come on. Hold him up so I can get his face so she can see his face.
Go there.
Come on. Hurry up. Grab his facey.
Come here.
Say bye-bye to Mama. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you soon, Mama. Bye-bye. And just let him go back. He likes to play with his little toy. You got your little fat belly, eat all that cottage cheese. Yeah, he's playing with Giggles. Be careful with Giggles. Spike, what you doing, Spike? What you doing? What you guys doing? Go get the toy, Heidi. I mean, Giggles. Bye-bye. We see you later, tell him. You guys playing. Bye-bye.